Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to what I consider the best contour palette available in the market, the Youngfocus Cream Contour Kit. This palette isn't just your ordinary contouring set. It's a game-changer in the world of makeup, offering versatility, quality, and stunning results. Let's dive into what makes this palette stand out. First off, it features 8 blendable shades that cater to a wide range of skin tones. From light to deep, there's a perfect match for everyone. Whether you're aiming for a natural everyday look or a glamorous evening transformation, this palette has you covered. The darker shades are ideal for shading and defining, while the lighter shades work wonders for sculpting and enhancing your features. But what truly sets this palette apart is its innovative design. Not only is it removable and refillable, but it also comes with step-by-step instructions to help you master the art of contouring like a pro. Now, let's talk about performance. The cream formulas are not only long-lasting but also deliver impeccable coverage. Say goodbye to blemishes and hello to flawless, sculpted skin. And here's the best part. Youngfocus is committed to ethical beauty. Their products are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your makeup game and achieve stunning, sculpted looks, look no further than the Youngfocus Cream Contour Kit. It's a must-have addition to any makeup collection. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty insights and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.